choosing commando. Yeah, he's yeah. We're playing the best characters right now. Dude, why the hell do I have 11 health? It was just the lag, you know? You fucking lag, dude. Yeah, no. This time, we're gonna do so good. We're gonna make it to stage like 29. Dude, we're gonna make it to stages like people haven't even heard of. Dude, that bird in like your backyard needs to learn how to shut the fuck up. Dude, why is Commando so good? Jesus. Fucking beetles. What the fuck? There's so many of these. There's like 10 in the sky after me. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yeah, but if you get it, you never know. I might steal it. Oh, I don't need to try, dude. I'm a freaking commando. Commando doesn't need to try. Okay. Boom, this guy's dead. Give me an item. I mean, what am I talking about? You didn't hear. I didn't say anything. I'm completely staying on red item thing, okay? Oh, dude, what the fu- What are these fucking lizard people doing? Fucking Mark. No, dude. Red items and soldier syringe. Dude, I'm only taking reds. Dude, only red items, though. That's what the pros do. Okay. Yeah. That's what the pros do. Yeah. Holy shit, dude. Guess what I found? I found the golden shrine. Okay, 656, dude. Let's do this. Let's nut on these fucking hoes. Yeah, go to the gold zone so we can beat it like pros. Like the pros we are. Yeah, with like pros. Not like pros. Just pros because we are pros. I do not like chodes. I said like that we're pros. Dude, I'm just saying you need to get a soldier syringe if you're gonna like beat the game. Really? I can't see it. All, all I see is like some blocks. Yeah. See all the difference it makes to use a soldier syringe. Dude, the only reason why you've died less times than me is no, it's because your character has freaking aimbot, dude. Yeah, dude. Dude. Isn't this kind of like genocide? Okay, Hidden Realm, Gilded Coast. Okay, let's fucking do this. Yeah. Uh, don't worry, dude. I don't know. I don't know what English you just spoke. No. Not. Yeah, we're gaming. Nut. Oh my nut, dude. What the hell is that guy doing? Jesus. No, yeah, I only pick up. Come. Oh my nut. No, no, no. There's one item that I can also choose. It's oh nut, nut. It killed me when I was picking up my item. Those fucking lizards. Yeah. Mhm. Denise, you just you gotta fucking believe. Don't worry. Oh my gosh, you weren't praying hard enough, dude. My gosh, where are you, a sadist? Hmm. No items. Zero. Did one of you guys just shoot me? I use quadruple rank, whatever. I use quadruple blank, like the cool kids. Holy shit, we're doing no damage. Yeah. Mhm. I can't deny. Yeah, you can't. It'd be. Okay. It's a female. I'm not. Okay. No. I need to hide. Mm, you're halfway. Mm, yeah, we can just wait. Wait, I actually found a healing drone. Okay. Okay. It's actually fair that Ian has a lot of health loss because he's the best. Okay, three, two. You guys want to start? I'm ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Holy shit. Oh no. Dude, this thing goes far. Oh no. This is scary. This is scary. Nut. Okay. Wait, let's actually not have the winner take all the items because we wouldn't be able to do it do another one. Y- yeah, because it would be way too unfair the next time we did it. Yeah. Yeah. The the 5 damage is gonna take you a long way, Ian. Yeah. Yeah. No, he actually is. No, dude, he is. Dude, yeah, he's full. Dude, can't you see it? He's like 100% full. And that's like an understatement. It's closer to like 1,000. How'd you. Dude, that was unfair. You took all of his health in like one shot. He was at full. Hey, yeah, you only get one, Ian. Oh, oh my god. Nice keyboard. Oh no, I'm gonna fucking die before we even start. You should be able to double jump in this game. Yeah, they should take that item away. No, they should just make commando like better. Who the fuck is T-Bone? Oh, why would you call him T-Bone? No! Oh my god. I don't know. Wait,